last bolt. A bit harder to get to, but it can be done. Is that what the bolt's here, you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, reveal. Look at that. Should we get tested in the hot water? Oh, yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Doesn't look too bad.
Well, it doesn't matter what it looks like. It's inside of here.
Okay.
Is the mechanism that when it gets hot, it helps it expand, like a certain, maybe a metal or like a thermometer.
Okay.
It makes the thing go up. Right, so we can check that in the hot water. Or just put a new one in.
No, just put the new one in.
We'll take it inside and check it.
That looks smaller.
So
that's different.
At the air box?
No. We're done. We're done.
Oh, what?
Fucking done.
Hey, this is the same size as the Escort one. Well, that's the thing they had on the book when I looked it up.
Oh, you took it out. No, you shouldn't have touched it. I wanted to make sure that I don't lose the...
But we're checking hot water. Make sure it is a thermostat. Make sure it is. I reckon that's similar size to the Escort one. I'd have one at home, I reckon. As long as this diameter is the same.
Okay.
It's good to check it, because you put all that back together and start it up, and it's not that, then you've done all that work for nothing. All right, let's see what needed to be removed to access the thermostat. We've got the battery out. We've got the airbox and air filter assemblies out. That leaves heaps more room. So down here, that's where you'll find your thermostat housing, the inlet and outlet. The bottom is the thermostat. And we've got the coil packs out as well. Need to unbolt those and just sit them aside. And that leaves heaps of room. So that's your coil packs right there. And that would give you heaps of access to undo these 4 bolts to take the thermostat housing off and remove your thermostat. Beauty! So because the new thermostat didn't fit, we're going to go and test the old one in some hot water. I've just done a video on that before this one. So go and check out how to test your thermostat. Just going to leave it out because we're doing Hyundai racing.
We're in Australia. We don't need this.
Yeah, we're in Australia, mate.
He reckons he can perform better. It's lighter now.
600 degrees every day, mate. 700 degrees Fahrenheit. No problems. Don't need any bolts with that. That won't go nowhere.